this is a cafe.
Go there, let's go there.
We are here at the Golden. We didn't go here.
This is our first time, right?
Yeah. And it was this.
It's nice, come.
But check around. Oh, look at that.
There's a cone. There's another museum coming up. There, oh, you know. This one.
Oh, what is that?
That's only a decoration. So nice. Come.
Mama, come on. I want to see what they have.
You want to buy something there?
Yeah.
Let's go there. Let's watch something.
Is our first time here?
Yeah, me too. Last time we went to church, but we didn't go up.
Yeah, now we do.
It's nice, right?
Before 2023, we didn't go up here. And now 2025, we go up.
Well, let's go there. Let's
Now,
check out.
Mama, can I have my gum? Gummy right now. Wow.
Be careful. That's the Louvre. You want to go to Louvre?
How can we go to the Louvre? If it's far away.
We have car. We can go there. What's in there? Oh, nothing.
Oh, there's
Okay. What's next? So nice. So nice, right?
I like face paint. You?
Amazing place.
Okay, I like this. I like this. This is so beautiful.
See, that's Louvre, beloved. Labo, you want to go there? Want to go there? There's another museum coming up. Oh, this one. Is it nice? Go there, I'll take a picture. Okay. Oh. Nice color, purple. Purple. It's a purple flower. Show them your toy, new toy.
Look, everyone, look, my brand new toy. Mom, my mommy just got it from the claw machine. It was for this, she got it, but she didn't. And the claw moved, but she just almost put it in the hole. And she did it again 2 times. And then also, she got it. This is my pet.
Cute.
And look.
Amazing.
And the tail.
Yeah.
Bye,
Okay.
everyone.
Okay, let's go.
Still not die.
Huh?
Brand new.
Yeah, that's new. I don't know what is that. Looks
Pretty.
nice.
That is brand new. Oh, very bad.
Let's go na.